You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations through the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning, it's Tuesday, December the 23rd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the Halted, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. As expected, it's a relatively slow news cycle day. I have two great press releases nonetheless, one from the Canadian side, one from the U.S. side, and this is all as we head into the festive holidays. So without any further ado, let's get down to business so you can get down to your business. Our lead story this morning comes from a company called Fresh Ideas Media. They trade on the OTC BB under the symbol FIDM. The company is announcing Q3 and Q9 results, very impressive results. They're reporting on their third quarter of 2008, where net revenues advanced to $48 million, which represents a 26% increase over $38.5 million, which was reported in the same period last year. We also have some more metrics. They grew from gross profits in 2008, grew from approximately $260,000 in last year's third quarter to $1.2 million in 2008 quarter, which is a gain of approximately 366%. Through the first 9 months of 2008, the company said revenues rose 29% to $130 million compared to $100 million in the same period last year. A little bit about the company. This company is based in China, so you're going to like it. We know we definitely like it. We think China's a place to be, so small caps in China are what you should be looking at for the future. A little bit about the company. They've grown to become one of the top importers and sellers of luxury vehicles in China. Imported luxury autos accounting for more than 10% of all Chinese auto sales revenues are the fastest growing segment of the still young Chinese auto industry, which is now the second largest in the world. So this is definitely somewhere you want to be investing your money. Company's last at $3.87, high of $4.35, low of $2.48, and a market cap of approximately $6 million. Moving on, Canadian side, company's called U308 Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol UWE. The company is reporting on uranium mineralization from an additional 12 boreholes, and the property is located in Guyana. We've got highlights from the 12 holes which confirm uranium mineralization is open at depth, and the results are to be included in the upcoming resource estimate. So the highlights are hole number 81, which is 8 meters at a grade of 0.126% uranium. And we've also got hole number 82, which is 7.5 meters at a grade of 0.11% uranium. Now, a little bit about the company. U308 Corp is a Canadian uranium exploration company based in Toronto, Canada. Their current focus is on uranium exploration in the Romera Basin, which is located in Guyana, South America. And here's another interesting fact about the company. The company is well funded with over $10 million held solely in cash and Canadian chartered bank-backed guaranteed investment certificates. So this company is fully cash, doesn't need to go to the market for any short-term money. Company's lost at 24.5 cents, high of 141, low of 17 cents, and the market cap of only $4 million. A lot of bargains out there, folks. People are doing their tax loss selling now. Now's the time you should be buying. Second segment of our program, halts. I only have one halt to report on. Acadian Mining Corporation trades on the TSX under the symbol ADA. The company has been halted pending news. That's a wrap for me. If you haven't done your Christmas shopping yet, make sure you go do it today, because there's only hours left to get out there and do some decent shopping. That's a wrap for me. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure you tune in again. I don't think we're doing a show tomorrow, so probably in the near future. So keep an eye out for the show. That's a wrap for today. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, or whatever religious denomination you are. I hope you have a great time.